rate my fish and chips order, and you're all going to go wild because I don't actually have fish on my fish and chips, because I just find once it's wrapped up the batter goes all soggy. So this is what I have. So obviously the chips, got to have those, and I always pick a pie, normally a minced beef and onion pie, and then me and my husband get a battered sausage and we share it. So we snap it in half, and obviously you have to give your husband the biggest half of the sausage. And then the sauce of my choice, it has to be chip shop curry sauce. I don't want any gravy, mushy peas, nope. Put a little bit of extra vinegar and a little bit of more salt on there, and this is my order. And here comes the best bit, my most favourite bit of fish and chips, or sausage and chips. Get that battered sausage and dip it in that curry sauce. Let me know what you think.